All right. So coming to my favorite slide, why we love JavaScript. Versatility. We know that JavaScript is a popular front-end language, but over the years it has also become a popular back-end language as well. With Node.js, a runtime environment for JavaScript, now JavaScript can run outside of the browser as well. And so it can be used to create scripting as well as processing data on the backend side. Second, JavaScript is easy to learn. It has a natural language feel and so it's very easy to pick up. Third, it has a large ecosystem. There are lots of JavaScript libraries and frameworks that can help you to speed up the development work. React is a great example of a JavaScript library that has made web and mobile development super easy. Active and vibrant community. There is an active community of developers, and there are lots and lots of conferences that happen all over the world. Stack Overflow has got some cool answers for your problems. And lastly, lots of jobs. And of course, this is the most important part.